Good morning, students. Today we will continue. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is profit and loss. Okay. So in this topic we have to know about two things, that is profit and loss. Okay. So first thing, in this profit and loss chapter we have to discuss about selling price, and second is cost price. What is the meaning of selling price? Selling price means in which the goods are sold, in which price the goods are sold, and the cost price, the price in which the goods are bought. Suppose I bought a candy of rupees 5. So I bought a candy of rupees 5. So this rupees 5 I bought, okay, I purchase a candy of rupees 5. So rupees 5 will be the cost price, CP. This will be price, the price by which we purchase a goods, that is known as cost price. And I sold a candy of rupees 10. I sold a candy of rupees 10. So I sold, here bought, sold. Okay. So this will be SP. This will be the SP. Okay. So I sold a candy for rupees 10, that is SP. So CP is rupees 5 and SP is rupees 10. Okay. So we have to calculate profit and loss. How you will calculate? So whenever you see, suppose the SP, we bought a candy for rupees 5, and SP, I sold that particular candy at rupees 10. Okay. So how can we say that it is a case of profit and loss? How can you determine that it is a case of profit and loss? Then in this case, when CP is greater than SP, okay, when CP is greater than SP, remember, when CP is greater, cost price is a price in which you bought a article or you bought a candy. Okay. When CP, when cost price is greater than selling price, okay, cost price is 5 and selling price is 10. So here the CP is greater. No, here CP is not greater, but the selling price is greater. Okay. So when CP is greater, then it is a case of loss. Okay. And when SP is greater than CP, okay, here SP is 10 and CP is 5. Okay. So here SP is greater, then that is a case of profit. Okay. So the formula for profit is equals to selling price minus cost price, and formula for loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Okay. So in this previous case, the candy, I bought a candy, here cost price is rupees 5 and selling price is equals to rupees 10. So which one is greater? CP is greater or SP is greater? SP is greater. And when SP is greater, then it is a case of profit. Apply the formula of profit, that is SP minus CP, that is 10 minus 5, that will be the 5. So this is a profit. This is a profit. So how can you determine the profit? When SP is greater than CP, then it is a case of profit. When CP is greater than SP, the CP is cost price and the SP is selling price. So when the CP is greater than SP, then it is a case of loss. Okay. So remember, always remember, when SP is greater, then it is a case of profit. When CP is greater, then it is a case of loss. And one more thing, you have to find, whenever you will get profit, then you have to find the profit percent also. The formula for profit percent is equals to profit by CP into 100. And whenever you get the loss, then you have to find the loss percent also. And the formula for loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100. always remember the profit percent and loss percent is calculated on the basis of cost price. On the basis of cost price, remember. Okay, on the basis of cost price. Okay, did you all get this profit and loss? This is an introduction part of this profit and loss. This is the introduction part of profit and loss.